Hi, how you doing? My name is DK and this is a demo call for one of our client. Basically, they have a factory outlet and they deal in wooden doors and windows. So I'm gonna, initiate a call and raise a complaint. So let's begin.
Direct Windows and Doors, your trusted source for high quality, energy efficient windows and doors at unbeatable prices. This is our virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, actually I'm having trouble with my window. The hinge is not working properly, so I need to raise a complaint.
I'm sorry to hear you're experiencing an issue with your window. Can you briefly describe the problem? For example, is it a broken seal, hardware issue, or difficulty with opening or closing?
Yeah, basically I think it's a hardware issue and I'm having difficulty opening and closing the window because hinge is, like maybe broken or maybe it's loose. So whenever I try to open it, it hangs on one side. So I think it requires attention.
Got it. Thank you for letting us know about the hardware issue with your window. Can I get your full name, phone number, and address so we can follow up and schedule a visit?
Yeah, my name is Adam Sandler.
Thank you, Adam. What's your phone number and the address where the window is located?
Yeah, my phone number is 9876543210 and my address is 21 Street, Dallas, Texas.
Thank you, Adam. Just to confirm, I have your name as Adam Sandler, your phone number as 987-654-3210, and your address as Street, Dallas, Texas. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Thank you for confirming, Adam. I'm creating a service ticket for our repair team regarding the hardware issue with your window.
Perfect.
We'll be in touch shortly to schedule a visit and get this resolved as quickly as possible. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Thank you so much.